good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I have my two little helpers in the kitchen with me today. Say morning.
Morning.
Say morning, Sarah. Say morning. 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 Morning.
Good
Morning.
morning.
Good
morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Alright, leave her. Okay.
What did I do?
You guys, we are up and in the kitchen. It's breakfast hour, and I am going to make
Porridge.
what kind of porridge?
Polenta.
Oats.
Oh. Mama?
Yeah. You don't want to say anything. You just want to say mama, right?
Just that I didn't have no breakfast.
I know the porridge is going to be your breakfast.
Okay.
So we are making porridge this morning, and in my pot I have coconut milk and milk. What else we need to put in?
This.
No, not yet. That's the last thing going in. We need to put in a little salt. A little salt. What else we need to put in?
This.
That's the oats. We're not gonna put in the oats until we put in everything else. We need to put in vanilla.
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 Why not chocolate?
Why not chocolate?
Yeah.
No, we don't put chocolate in for porridge like that. Then we're gonna put in nutmeg.
What's nutmeg?
Something to give it flavor. Then we're gonna put cinnamon.
There's too much thing to do, porridge.
You have to make it yummy. Why you think it's so yummy? Honey,
Yes, ma'am.
come take your child, please.
Morning.
Morning, Papa.
Morning, Tyler. Morning, Sarah.
Morning.
Get down, get down.
What's they doing now? What the fuck?
I know, Ty, I know. You're gonna help me now. Okay, now that we have all these things in, we need to put some oats in here.
Yeah.
And the oats coming from this one. Right?
Okay. After the porridge, can I have one yellow egg from there?
No. Okay, the oats is here.
Yeah.
You can mix it slowly. Mix it, man, mix it.
Tu sais c'est quoi l'énergie cinétique, papa?
Les quoi?
L'énergie cinétique?
Non, c'est pas l'énergie cinétique. C'est Blaise, il t'a appris ça?
Non, c'est son copain. Tu sais comment il s'appelle?
Okay, now I'm gonna throw it in. I'm not gonna let you help me do this part because the stove is too hot for you. And then Mama just gonna mix it until it's ready, so you can go and play with your sister until it's ready, okay?
Okay.
Do you guys make your porridge with coconut milk or no? Comment down below and let me know if you make your porridge with coconut milk or you make it without coconut milk. I am making lunch for the Fam Bam. And I'm making, can you guess what I'm making? Can you guess what I'm making? Can you miss what I'm making? Yes, not mess. Guess. Tyler says so. Wrong. I am making some ackee cups because I have some leftover ackee from last night. So I have 4 tortilla cups remain. So what I did was warm the cups up, put some lettuce at the bottom, and now I'm gonna add some ackee to that. And then I'm going to add some avocado on top of the ackee. And that should be lunch. We should have a good lunch. Sounds good to me. It looks good too. It looks delicious. It looks so good. Okay, so there goes the ackee on. I'm gonna top that off with a few avocado strips, and lunch will be heavenly. Boom. Yes, glory. Trouble daddy. She want to come out. Playtime, of course. Brother making you laugh. Tyler, you're too loud.
Bam, bam, bam. Badum, badum, badum.
Just dancing.
I know a pretty one that makes so much laugh, but
you don't have to be so loud. Brother coming to get you. Sarah! Oh God, you'll get hurt. Lord of mercy. Sarah, you're going to get hurt.
My pretty one that makes so much laugh. Just do it.
The brother is a madman, you know. Look at this madman. Sit, you're gonna fall. Oh my God! She just walked from here to here without holding on. Tell me I just didn't see that and catch it on camera. I'm gonna have to watch that footage. I'm sure she just walked from ear to ear so without hold on. Sarah, did you just do that?
Meow. Meow.
I swear me just see you walking. You just take 2 steps. In dinner, frying fish here, some white fish. I have veggie steam and quinoa. That's dinner for today, shawty. It has been a long working day for me. Today is my day of editing all day, and I've been working all day.
Baby, you
I'm
did?
tired,
I didn't see you.
and now I'm tired, and I'm still working. But Sarah is in bed, and now Tyler is brushing his teeth to head to bed. So we're just coming on to end today's vlog. I want to tell you guys thanks for watching, and if you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe before you leave and give this video a thumbs up right now. Comment down below and also tell me what part of today's vlog was your favorite, though it wasn't much. But hey, let's go ahead and give you guys a Jamaican and a French expression for today. The Jamaican expression for today is Massa God. If a Jamaican say Massa God will never let me down, what does that mean? Who do we refer to as Massa God?
Father God.
Hey. So if we say Massa
But
God
there's
will
only one
never
God,
let
so-
me down, well, no, there's not one God. Take that back. Some people believe otherwise. Me and you
You're
might
right.
think there is one, but other have
You're
other
right.
beliefs.
You're right.
Well, if I say Master God will never let me down, what does that mean?
He never give up on me.
Right, goody baby, goody God, baby, goody. What's the French expression for today? What's the French translation for God?
The French translation for God is Dieu.
Dieu?
Dieu.
How it's spelled?
You didn't know that?
How it's spelled?
D-I-E-U.
D-I-E-U. Yes, I knew that.
Dieu. You know what is God in French?
No, tell me.
Is is a
What is God in
sexual
Oh
things.
yes, I think you did tell me.
What's
You
the name of
did.
it? I don't know the name in English.
What is it
Like
in
a
French?
fake things that
Fake penis?
yeah, a fake penis.
Dildo?
A dildo?
Yes.
Okay, in French we say God.
That's the translation.
I
Yeah.
want to do Jamaican expression.
You want to do Jamaican expression?
You brush your teeth?
Okay. You brush your teeth and wash your face. Look at the face.
I'm sweating like you are.
I do the
Okay. I already give the Jamaican expression and it's called Masagad. Say Masagad.
Masagad.
What do you think Masagad
You
means?
never let me go down.
I think I know what it means.
Tell me.
Masagad.
Masagad.
Masagad. I think somebody has. I think somebody go outside that there's coronavirus and they don't have no mask and they're going to catch coronavirus and somebody go outside and they have masks on and they say, God, why you don't have no mask?
Oh, I find a good one
Weird.
today.
But he said mask because he think I said mask.
Yeah.
I didn't say mask, I said massa. Massa. But I like your explanation. I like his explanation. Good try, Ty. I like your explanation. Say night to face.
Night.
Run along. Go pee and Papa coming to tuck you in. Run, don't let me start counting.
I found a good one today on internet. They explain why it's called pandemic.
Okay, so why you never save that for tomorrow?
It's not expression, it's just a joke that I see online.
Okay.
Do you know that a panda eat like 10-12 hours per day?
Okay.
So like he almost spend all of his time
Eating. Mm-hmm.
So while we at home, we spend our time eating too. So that's why it's called pandemia. Because we act like panda. No, that's not funny.
No.
That's
anyway,
funny.
yes, it's funny.
Of course, that's funny.
Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, subscribe if you are new. Catch fun, keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.